In this video, you'll discover something remarkable. Just 1,200 milligrams of one simple molecule was shown to cut the risk of dialysis by 62%. In another study, it even helped 9 dialysis patients get off the machine altogether. Yes, their kidneys woke up again. So why don't we hear about this? Because we're losing the battle against oxidative stress, and when Big Pharma couldn't control it, they quietly made it disappear. But today, I'll show you how to bring it back into your life. Let me ask you something. Are you actually protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress right now? If you're not sure, that's a red flag. Because while you sit and wonder, free radicals might be burning through your kidney cells like wildfire. Every moment we ignore oxidative stress, another nephron, the tiny filters that keep you alive, dies. In the medical system? Too often, they just sit back and watch it happen. But here's what makes me furious: we already have the tools to fight back. Antioxidant therapy isn't some fringe idea. It's proven to not only slow kidney disease, but to reverse it, at any stage, at any age. The tragedy is that most CKD patients are running on empty, their kidneys starved of antioxidants, left looking like a nuclear wasteland. That changes today. I'm going to share the 7 most powerful antioxidant molecules I know, the very ones that could mean the difference between freedom and a life chained to dialysis. And before we dive in, please share this with someone you love whose kidneys deserve another chance. So here's the question I want you to hold on to: what are the 7 most powerful antioxidants to protect your kidneys? Number 7, a forgotten medication that improves kidney function. Let's start with something almost unbelievable. Back in the 70s, doctors discovered a prescription antioxidant that could improve kidney function by 27%. Now, that's not just a statistic, it's the difference between dialysis in 6 months, and dialysis in 6 years. And here's the wild part: this isn't old, dusty science. A brand new study published in August 2025 confirmed it again. In CKD patients, this drug improved kidney function by a full 27% in just a few months. Imagine how much lighter your future could feel with that kind of breathing room. The name of the drug? Pentoxifylline. But say that word to most nephrologists, and you'll probably just get a blank stare. Why? Because the patent expired decades ago. No profit means no prescriptions, no matter how many kidneys it could save. Disco and bell bottoms came back, but not this life-saving pill. And yet, there's a silver lining. When researchers tried to repackage pentoxifylline into a new, money-making formulation, they stumbled on something extraordinary. In their trial, they tested pentoxifylline side by side with a simple vitamin, and the vitamin outperformed the drug. Can you believe that? Somewhere, I'm sure a pharma executive nearly choked on their caviar. That vitamin is folic acid, or vitamin B9. Here's where things get exciting for you: you don't need a prescription to access it. You can bring folic acid into your life today through both food and supplements. Some of the richest food sources include dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These aren't just good for your kidneys, they soothe inflammation, strengthen immunity, and heal your gut. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is another incredible option, bursting with antioxidants including folic acid. And then there's asparagus, packed with vitamins, minerals, and kidney-friendly compounds that act like a gentle detox every time you eat them. Citrus fruits and bananas also carry folic acid in abundance. But here's the caveat: many of these foods are also high in potassium, which can be tricky if your kidneys are already struggling. That's why, for many people, a high-quality folic acid supplement is the safest, most reliable way to get the benefits without the risks. So, if there's one takeaway from today, it's this: while pentoxifylline may be locked away on pharmacy shelves, folic acid is wide open and waiting for you. Make sure you're getting the right dose every single day, because this one vitamin could be your kidney's secret lifeline. Number 5. A quiet powerhouse of a vitamin. Now, let's talk about our number 5. This one is a vitamin so powerful, it actually reversed diabetic kidney disease in 59 patients with stage 3 CKD. Yes, you heard that right, reversed. That's how deeply it can fight back against oxidative stress. The vitamin I'm talking about is vitamin E. In high enough doses, vitamin E has been shown to protect the kidneys, reduce protein leakage, and even improve function. One massive study linked higher blood levels of vitamin E to a lower risk of proteinuria in CKD patients. In other words, the more vitamin E your body has, the safer your kidneys tend to be. But here's the catch: with vitamin E, more is not better. In fact, too much can actually become toxic. That's why you don't want those megadose bottles on Amazon that promise miracles. They can do more harm than good. For kidney health, low, gentle doses are key. So how do you get it safely? Food first. One of the most underrated superfoods for vitamin E is sunflower seeds. Just 1 ounce, about a small handful, gives you up to 2/3 of your daily needs. If you can make that a habit, your kidneys will thank you. And if seeds don't sound like something you'll eat every day, then find a good quality multivitamin with the right, modest amount of vitamin E, enough to protect, not enough to overwhelm. Number 4, the enhancer vitamin C. Now, let's move on to our number 4, and honestly, this one is special. Vitamin C isn't just another antioxidant, it's what I like to call an antioxidant amplifier. Here's what I mean: vitamin C helps your body absorb other antioxidants up to 5 times better. Imagine squeezing a bit of lemon into your green tea. Suddenly, the catechins in that tea become 5 times more powerful in your body. The same goes for quercetin, beta-carotene, anthocyanins, lycopene, and even vitamin E. So vitamin C isn't just working on its own, it's like the best friend who makes everyone else shine brighter. But again, here's where most people go wrong: those giant 1000 milligrams vitamin C supplements. If you have kidney issues, that's a big mistake. High doses of vitamin C can cause kidney stones and even flip from being an antioxidant to a pro-oxidant, which means it starts damaging cells instead of protecting them. That's why the safest and smartest way to use vitamin C is in small, steady amounts. Think citrus fruits with your meals, a squeeze of lemon here and there, or a carefully balanced supplement with a low dose. Because when it comes to antioxidants, the secret isn't megadoses. It's variety and balance. A little of many different antioxidants will always beat one single vitamin in huge amounts. And that's why, as we move toward the top 3 on today's list, I want you to remember this one rule: small doses, every day, from a variety of sources. That's what keeps your kidneys truly safe. Number 3. Zinc. Now, let's talk about number 3 on our list, a mineral that doesn't get nearly the love it deserves. Zinc. Zinc isn't just an antioxidant. It's a multitasker. It helps balance blood sugar, fuels your energy, strengthens immunity, repairs tissues, and even clears out harmful uremic toxins that can build up when your kidneys aren't working their best. But here's the real reason zinc matters so much for you. Studies show it can actually slow down the progression of chronic kidney disease in people with diabetes. Think about that for a second: a single mineral, found in everyday foods, that helps your kidneys hold the line. That's incredible. So how do you get more zinc? Seeds are your best friend here. Hemp seeds are the champions. cashews are a close second. And if you're a fan of oatmeal, you'll be glad to know it quietly delivers a good dose of zinc, too. If you're thinking about supplements, here's one important tip: always choose a zinc supplement that also contains copper. Why? Because too much zinc on its own can deplete your copper levels, and that can lead to anemia, a setback that would undo the very benefits you're working so hard to build. Balance is everything. Number 2, from GFR 14 to 33. Now for number 2. And this one honestly gave me chills when I first read the study. Imagine this: over 7,600 people with stage 3 to 5 CKD took part in a trial. About half of them received a high dose of one particular antioxidant. The results? Life-changing. Those who took it had their risk of dialysis cut in half. Even more incredible, some patients literally doubled their GFR in just 6 months. One case jumped from 14 to 33. That's not just a number, that's the difference between being chained to a dialysis machine and getting your life back. Now, it didn't work equally for everyone. It seemed especially effective in people without diabetes. But still, the power of this antioxidant is undeniable. So what is it? NAC, N-acetylcysteine. You may have heard of it before, but I'll bet you didn't realize it could deliver results this dramatic. The key? Dose. In this study, patients took much higher doses than the standard recommendation. In fact, in dialysis patients, even higher doses have been tested and they didn't just work, they were safe. So yes, NAC is a bit of an exception to the low dose is best rule we talked about earlier. At the right dose, it's like giving your kidneys an extra set of hands to fight back. But here's the question that should be on your mind right now: if NAC can do that, what could possibly be number 1? Number 1. Out of dialysis antioxidant. Our number 1 for today was actually used not just to improve kidney function in CKD patients, but also to get some dialysis patients out of dialysis for good. Well guys, there is only one antioxidant that was used to get multiple dialysis patients to stop dialysis: CoQ10. This antioxidant is incredibly powerful, and it was used in combination with selenium to achieve a huge decrease in creatinine levels from 9.5 to 6.7 milligrams per dl in a study on several dialysis patients. Now guys, the way I recommend taking CoQ10 is with selenium. These two antioxidants have synergistic properties and boost each other's absorption. And well, you can only find these two together in a renal multivitamin, my recommendation. Yes, that's why I consider it the best renal multivitamin. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.